Okay, so we're standing in front of the two-bedroom model. We're about to walk in the East Quarter residences. And this is the really nice hallway. It's all new, really nice. And I'm noticing you've got a keyless entry. That's always a great feature. And let's walk in. Oh, wow. Absolutely love it. You know, when you walk in, sometimes it's just like you connect, and I connected. This just feels great. Let me describe this just a bit. You've got lots of pantry space here, lots to work with. This is the huge fridge and freezer. It's LG, so you got lots of space in here. You do have a wonderful freezer in here, tons of space up there too. And then you've got all these cabinets as well. So much space over here to work with. It's just really, really gorgeous. That's so much space. This is more than I was expecting. And then I love how you have this open shelf too. That's just trendy to me. I like it. It seems like that's becoming trendy. And then you got beautiful backsplash. It's like a dark, just gray and white with just kind of waves in it. It's really, really pretty. This is a beautiful, I'm thinking this is quartz. It sure looks like quartz. It's gorgeous. And look at this sink. Oh my goodness, it's stunning. It's beautiful. Gorgeous sink. It's so deep, and this beautiful gooseneck with the pullable faucet. So really, really nice on the white there. And love these modern LG dishwasher, and I love it when it has all the features right there on the door, hidden. That's just absolutely cool. Love it. Plenty of space to work with here. This is a humongous island. This island is very large, and it has so many drawers. Just gorgeous. This floor, by the way, is kind of a light brown wood, and it looks pretty. I just like it. It kind of it just really goes with everything in here. So it's very, very pretty. You do have a nice kind of bar area over here too, and that's an open area. And then you've got these great shelves here too, so plenty to work with. I'm thinking this might be a closet, so let's look in. Oh no, that's the washer and dryer. So awesome. Love it that that's there. Okay, so let's go explore the living room just a bit. And it's very open feeling. It feels wonderful. This is a lot. This is probably a 7-foot maybe couch, and then there's space in between over there and over there too. So good amount of space. And I think this is 12 or 13 feet. That's my guess on how tall this is. And then look at these walls. I love the recessed lighting that's there. Oh, it's so pretty. It just really, really adds. And you notice it's all around it here too, or at least it's on two sides. So just love just the elegance it brings to it with that recessed lighting. This is a big wall too. You can have a lot of space to store. And as you can see, there's just plenty of space to work with. You could easily have a sectional even going, if you wanted to, going to the window there and there against that wall. Hey, let's see the balcony. So let's walk out and see it. And wow, don't you love this? First of all, the balcony is about 12 feet, maybe more. You've got a very generous amount of space. I'm walking on it, and you got a lot of space to work with here too. But this balcony is also cool because it's overlooking the outdoor amenities deck. So this would be super fun to be, eighth floor and above. You're going to get this feel and this look. So just absolutely gorgeous. There's that sky lounge that's going to be with the private bar that we'll come back and film when that's done. And then there's the pool. So great feel inside of here. Absolutely love it. That's a really well done balcony. I like it a lot. Okay, so let's step and see both of these bedrooms. So we're going to start with the one that's on the right, and this one is, love the huge windows that are here. I would call this close, not quite floor to ceiling, but it's pretty close. Those are really big windows. And it was the same in the living room too. So lots of window space, and That's absolutely cool. This appears to be a king, so you've got a lot of king space in here too, for your bed, and then you've got, of course, the kind of the night tables that are there, and then a beautiful ceiling fan. I love those kind of ceiling fans. It's so classy. So good amount of space in there. You do have a thermostat that's going to be easy to control when you're out. You can control it from your phone basically. So and then here is your bathroom with plenty of drawers. Wow, tons of drawers. Absolutely looks awesome. And then there is your linen closet that you have there too. So that's great. Plenty of space and a beautiful shower to walk into. Absolutely love it. So much space in here. There's that honeycomb kind of floor that's just stunning. Absolutely love that too. So they're still working on this, so you're going to see a little bit of work still going on, but they've gotten this ready somewhat recently. So this is a lot of space. I hope you can see it, all the storage that's in here. So this is great. Plenty of drawers and shelves. This is just a good size. Well done on the storage there. Okay, so that's one of the bedrooms. So now let's go see the other bedroom. So this is the same thing, just plenty of light. You're gonna feel very light and bright in here because look at that. That's just a lot of light. You do have fantastic views, of course, just like the other bedroom. And then you've got great amount of space in here too. That's definitely a king bedroom